As a parent, ensuring your child's brain development is crucial for their overall well-being and success. One of the best foods for brain development in kids is fatty fish like salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support brain function and development. Incorporating foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, and avocados into your child's diet can also provide essential nutrients for brain health. A well-balanced diet is key to your kids' mental development. Include whole grains like oatmeal and brown rice, as they release glucose slowly, providing a steady supply of energy to the brain. Colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that protect brain cells. Don't forget lean proteins like chicken and beans, which are vital for neurotransmitter function. To enhance your child's learning ability, memory, and thinking, focus on foods rich in antioxidants like berries, spinach, and kale. These foods help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, promoting optimal cognitive function. Additionally, dark chocolate and green tea contain compounds that can improve brain function and memory. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your child's diet can have a significant impact on their cognitive abilities and overall academic performance. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Encouraging physical activity, quality sleep, and minimizing screen time are also essential for supporting your child's brain development. By making small but impactful changes to your child's diet and lifestyle, you can set them up for success both in and out of the classroom. Prioritize their brain health today for a brighter and more promising future tomorrow.